Myself JASPREET Kaur. Today we will continue the chapter matrices, and our today's topic is operation on matrices. So first of all we will do addition of matrices and subtraction of matrices. So our matrix A is 1, 2, 3, 4. It is of order 2 cross 2, and matrix B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is of order 2 cross 3. Matrices C is 3 cross 2 order, and it is also of order 2 cross 2. Now for the addition of two matrices, it is of same type. That is 2 cross 2 matrices cannot be added to 2 cross 3 matrices, because in addition and subtraction of matrices we have to add the corresponding element of two matrices or more than two matrices. But in this case, if we are taking for the addition of A and B matrices, then 1 plus 1 will be 2, 2 plus 2 will be 4, but there is not any element present for the addition of 3. So we can't add these two matrices. Now let us take A and C. Now 1 will be added to 1, 2 will be added to 2, 3 will be added with the 3, and 4 will be added to the 4. But there are no two elements present in matrix A which can be added with the elements 5 and 6. So we can't add and subtract these two matrices also. But if we add A and D matrices, then 1 plus 11 will be 12, 2 plus 6 will be 8, 3 plus 5 will be 8, 4 plus 3 will be 7. So in this way we can add these two matrices. In a similar way we can subtract these elements. In subtraction also, the matrices of same order and corresponding elements are present in the same form, then subtraction will be possible. So addition and subtractions of matrices have the same rules. So first of all we will perform the addition of matrices. So A plus D will be 1, 2, 3, 4 plus matrix D is 11, 6, 5, 3. So addition of these matrices will be 1 plus 11, 3 plus 5, 2 plus 6, 4 plus 3. So after addition we have 1 plus 11 will be 12, 6 plus 2 will be 8, 5 plus 3 will be 8, 4 plus 3 will be 7. It is order of 2 cross 2. So in this way we add A and D matrices, but addition of A and B and A and C are not possible. In a similar way we will subtract the two matrices, because in case of subtraction same rules are applied. That is, first row, in first row 1 and 2 will be subtracted from 1 and 2, but there is not any element present in the matrix A which can be subtracted by 3. That is, there is not any element present from which we can subtract the element 3. In a similar way, there is not any element present from which we can subtract the element 6. So A minus B can't possible. In a similar way, matrix A and C cannot be subtracted, because there are no element present in the matrix which are present in third row of the matrix A, from which we can subtract the elements of row 3 of matrix C. So A minus C is also not possible. So we will subtract A and D. Matrix A is 1, 2, 3, 4. So after subtracting we get 1 minus 11 will be minus 10, 2 minus 6 will be minus 4, 3 minus 5 will be minus 2, 4 minus 3 will be 1. So it is also of 2 cross 2 order matrix. So in this way addition and subtraction is done. Now we had solved the addition of 2 matrices and then we had solved the subtraction of 2 matrices. Now we will solve the multiplication of the matrices. So let it be 1, 2 and 3. Now multiplication of the 2 matrices. We know that any matrix can be represented in general form Aij for all I and j of order m into n. So here I will be varying from 1 to m and j will be varying from 1 to n. In a similar way, matrix B can be represented like Bij for all I and j of order p into q, such that n equal to p. Now for the condition of multiplication of two matrices, number of column of one matrix should be equal to number of rows of second matrix. Only then multiplication is possible. Now let us multiply 8 with B. So our matrix A is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now multiply it with the matrix B, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now for the multiplication of two matrices, we will be multiplying, that is first row will be multiplied with the first column, then with the second column and then with the third column. And after that the second row will be proceeding in the same way, that is it will be multiplied with the first column and then second column and then third column. So first of all 1 will be multiplied by 1, 2 will be multiplied by 4. Now second will be 1 multiplied by 2, 2 will be multiplied by 5, 2 will be multiplied by 5. In a similar way again for the third, 1 will be multiplied by 3 and 2 will be multiplied by 6. Again we will proceed the second row, 3 will be multiplied by 4, 3 will be multiplied by 1 plus 4 will be multiplied by 4, 3 multiplied by 2 plus 4 multiplied by 5. Now 3 will multiply by 3 plus 4 multiplied by 6. So multiplication of AB matrix will be 1 into 1, 1 plus 4 to the 8. 2 multiplied by 1 is 2 plus 10. 3 plus 12. 3 plus 16. 6 plus 20. 9 plus 24. So after solving, 8 plus 1 is 9, 2 plus 10 is 12, 3 plus 12 is 15, 16 plus 3 is 19, 26, 24 plus 9, 33. So it is of order 2 cross 3. So our result was that for the multiplication of two matrices, first thing was the number of column of first matrix should be equal to number of rows of the second matrix. Second thing was order of the resultant matrix, that is multiplication of two matrix should be of order m into q. Now our order is it was of order 2 cross 2 and B was of order 2 cross 3. Here number of column of first matrix is equal to number of rows of second matrix, that is equal to 2, and second thing was it is of order 2 cross 3, which is done. So now we will multiply matrix A into C. Let's check is it possible or not. Now it is of order 2 cross 2 and it is of order 3 cross 2. Number of column of matrix A is 2 and number of row of matrix C is 3. So 2 is not equal to 3. Therefore in this case multiplication is not possible. Now if we want to multiply matrix D, then number of column of matrix A is 2 and number of rows of matrix D is 2, and hence we can multiply matrix A with D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 11, 6, 5, 3. So multiplication of square matrix will be possible in case of multiplication. Now first column will be multiplied with the first row and first row will be multiplied with the second column. 1 into 11 plus 2 into 5. 1 into 6 plus 2 into 3. 3 into 11 plus 4 into 5. 3 into 6 plus 4 into 3. So after solving, 1 into 11 is 11 plus 5 to the 10. 6 plus 6. 6 3s are 18, 4 3s are 12. 11 3s are 33 plus 5 4s are 20. 11 plus 10, 21. 6 plus 6, 12. 30. 33 plus 20 will be 53. So it is a 2 cross 2 order matrix, as 2m into q is 2 cross 2, because here if we plot A is equal to Aij of order m into n for all I and j, and D equal to Dij for all I and j of order p into q, then here n equal to p, that is number of column equal to number of rows, these are equal to 2, and m multiply q, order of product of AD is of order m into q. So here m is 2 and q is 2. So resultant product of matrix should be ordered 2 cross 2. So it is of 2 cross 2. So here multiplication is done. Now we will do the scalar multiplication of the matrix. Scalar is any number when multiplied with the any matrix, then it will be multiplied with every element of that matrix. Let us suppose K is any scalar. Then and A matrix is of Aij for all I and j of order m cross n. Then if we multiply a scalar K with the matrix A, then it will be written like Aij for all I and j of order m cross n. Now let us suppose matrix A is 1, 2, 3, 4 as it is given to us. Now let us suppose K be any number 3. Then 3 multiplied by A will be 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So after solving, it will be 3 will be multiplied by each element of this matrix. That is 3 multiplied by 1 will be 3. 3 multiplied by 2 will be 6. 3 multiplied by 3 will be 9. 3 will be multiplied by 4. It will be 12. So scalar multiplication of this will be Done. In a similar way, corresponding any scalar will be multiplied with the matrix B, C and D, and we get the product of the two. Suppose K is 3, then 3 multiplied by matrix B will be 3 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we will get 3, 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4 are 12, 15 and 18. So in this way scalar multiplication can be done. Now let's solve one question. X plus y equal to 5209, x minus y equal to 360 minus 1. Now after addition the two equation, we get 2x equal to 5209 plus 360 minus 1. So addition of two matrix will be 5 plus 3, 8, 6 plus 2, 8, 0 plus 0, 0, 9 minus 1, 8. So matrix X equal to 1 by 2 of 8, 8, 0, 8. So that will be 4, 4, 0, 4. So this is matrix X. Now put the equation star in equation 1. So our value of matrix X is putting in this equation 4, 4, 0, 4 plus y equal to matrix 5, 2, 0, 9. Now matrix y equal to 5, 2, 0, 9 minus 4, 4, 0, 4. So after subtraction y will be 5 minus 4 is 1, 2 minus 4 is minus 2, 0 minus 0 is 0, 9 minus 4 will be 5. So hence we find the value of matrix X and Y. Hence solved. Now let's solve the question. If A is 1 minus 2, 3 minus 4, 2, 5 and matrix B is given to us 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 1, then find the product of AB, BA and show that AB is not equal to BA. Now first of all we just want to check that whether we find the product of AB or BA. For that, for the case of multiplication, number of column of first matrix should be equal to number of rows of the second matrix, that is equal. So multiplication is defined here. Now let us do the multiplication. Here number of columns are 3 and number of rows are 3. So these are equal. So we can multiply the matrix A with matrix B. 1 minus 2, 3 minus 4, 2, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 1. Now multiply it. 1 multiplied by 2 is 2, minus 2 multiplied by 4 is minus 8, 3 multiplied by 2 is 6, 1 multiplied by 3 is 3, 2 multiplied by 5 is minus 10, 3 multiplied by 1 is 3. Now second row will be multiplied by first column. Minus 4 multiplied by 2 is minus 8, 2 multiplied by 4 is 8, 5 multiplied by 2 is 10, 4 multiplied by 3 is 12, 2 multiplied by 5 is 10, 5 multiplied by 1 is 5. So 2 plus 6 8, 8 minus 8 is 0, 3 plus 3 6, 6 minus 10 is minus 4. 8 get cancelled, so we are left with 10. Now 10 plus 5 is 15, 15 minus 12 is 3. So product of AB is solved out. Now let's solve for product of BA. For that we will firstly define that B is 3 cross 2 and A is 2 cross 3. So column of first matrix equal to row of second matrix. Therefore BA is also defined. So let's multiply 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 1 multiplied with 1 minus 2, 3 minus 4, 2, 5. Now 2 multiplied by 1 is 2, 3 multiplied by 4 is minus 12, 2 multiplied by 2 is minus 4, 3 multiplied by 2 will be 6, 2 multiplied by 3 is 6, 3 multiplied by 5 is 15, 4 multiplied by 1 is 4, 5 multiplied by 4 is minus 20, 4 multiplied by 2 is minus 8, 5 multiplied by 2 will be 10, 4 multiplied by 3 is 12, 5 multiplied by 5 will be 25, 2 multiplied by 1 is 2, 1 multiplied by minus 4 is minus 4, 2 multiplied by 2 is minus 4, 1 multiplied by 2 will be 2, 2 multiplied by 3 will be 6, 1 multiplied by 5 will be 5. So BA will be minus 10, 2, 15 plus 6, 21, 4 minus 20, minus 16, 2, 25 plus 12, 5 plus 2, 7, 2 plus 1, 3, 2 minus 4, minus 2, minus 4 plus 2, minus 2, 6 plus 5, 11. Now we have to find the value of AB and BA. Now our second step is we have to show that product of AB is not equal to BA. So product of AB is 0, minus 4, 10, 3 and product of BA is this. So here AB is not equal to BA. That's all.